everybody, welcome to my channel. So I was so excited to wake up this morning. I checked CVS and I have CRTs. I'm finally starting to get less CVS CRTs and I'm starting to get more whatever CRTs. So I ended up getting some makeup, I got some toothpaste, I ended up getting a shampoo and conditioner one. I don't know, was it that one? It's for like Herbal Essence and Pantene and stuff. I got like, I'm starting to get normal stuff. So I'm trying to get a different variety of stuff so I can get more CRTs. I think that's maybe how it's going. But I don't know, let me know if yours are kind of the same as mine, but I had to print I went to my machine 3 times and scanned my card and I kept having some print out. So it's getting there more and more, and I get more and more and more every single week. I'm still trying to buy a variety of stuff so I can start getting the CRTs because it's basically based off what you buy in the past. So maybe just reset, we'll see. So I was walking up to the front of the store and I saw this lady and she just started she was having a whole freaking cart full of toilet paper. And I'm like, what the heck is what is the deal? And the cashier's like, oh yeah, it's like 50 cents. I'm like, oh, okay. So this is the Oh So Soft toilet paper. These are currently ringing up 50 cents. So I didn't go crazy because I already have a ton of toilet paper as it is. But this is 4 rolls. It's 400 count 2-ply rolls. So it seems pretty soft to use if you guys need it. So I just got 2 of them just to share with you guys on that and just to try it. But if you need some toilet paper, 50 cents. So she grabbed $10 worth and my store still had a ton left, but I just wanted to see what the deal was. So she ran in and ran out pretty much. But I'm excited for what I got. Now I did pay a little bit out of pocket for everything, but I'm still happy with what I got and hopefully I can get better CRTs next time. So I ended up doing a couple different deals. So I ended up getting a 5 off of 35 razor and shave, and I really wanted to do that deal. I'm like, I really want to do that deal. So I'm like, okay, trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And so I was gonna originally do the Schick razors and then the Gillette razors, and I'm like, okay, they'll come out to be like $2.49 a piece. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I walk away. And then I was like checking the app and I found that the Nivea stuff was on sale. Or checking the website, and then I saw the Nivea stuff was on sale, so I'm like, okay, let me figure this out. I'm like, oh wait, sweet, this will work. So what I ended up doing is I bought 2 of the Nivea Shave. These were $5.19 at my store. And then I bought 2 of the Gillette razors. These were $11.99. This is the cheapest razors that my store had, which is totally fine. But I got these for $11.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. And then I had that 5 off of 35 shave CRT, which I have never gotten so far. So that's why I'm hoping, you know, me buying this stuff is helping me get my CRTs. The total came to $23.36 for these 4 items. But then you get $5 for buying 2 of the Nivea, and you'll get $10 for buying 2 of the Gillette or Venus. So that's $15 I got back. But then I got $1.20 and $1.20 back with Ibotta. But I bought 2 of them, so I got a 75-cent bonus. So with the bonus included, all 4 of these items came to $5.21 or $1.30 a piece, which I'm like, sweet, we will take it. Like I said, I'm just trying to build my CRTs, and I thought that's a pretty decent deal. And then I had a 4 off of 25 toothpaste and all that stuff, and I'm like, okay, let's see what I can do. Now, I did not know this, but they changed the limits on the Colgate toothpaste. So they recently changed the limits on the Revlon and Almay to 1. The Colgate now is a limit of 2. You can only use 2 coupons now. I did not know that. So if you guys are new to couponing, or if you're just like me, how we're so used to the limits, they changed it on us. So be prepared. Yes, but anyways, I ended up getting 4 of the Optic Colgate toothpaste. I get to my store pretty early before they tag everything, so I'm always walking back and forth scanning stuff. The Colgate toothpaste was $3.99. I used 2 50-cent off coupons that we got in our inserts today, and then I had a 50-cent digital coupon that I used. Then I had that 4 off of 25 CRT that I used. So I'm like, okay, let's see, what else can I get? So I ended up getting the Crest toothpaste and the toothbrush. These were $2.99. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, a $1 off of toothpaste digital coupon, and a $2 off 1 Oral-B coupon. So I bought these 4 items also, all for $2.99. So with that 4 off of 25 included, so all 8 items, it came to $16.42. Now each of these had a limit of 2, so it was buy 2 you get this. So I bought 8, so that means that it was times 2 whatever. So the Crest you get $3. Well, since I did the Crest deal twice, I got $6 back for the Crest. And then the Colgate, when you bought 2, you get $5, so I got $10 back for the Colgate. So my grand total for all of this stuff is just 42 cents. That's 5 cents a piece. I think that is a great, great, great deal. Or you can just think that you paid 42 cents for the toothbrush and you got all the toothpaste for free. But that was a great deal. I was just trying to figure out, it was originally going to be free and a moneymaker, but then I saw that they had the limit of the coupon, so I'm like, oh, not doing that deal anymore. So make sure you guys pay attention to that. I got the Garnier makeup wipes. These are $6.79. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $2 off printable coupon, and then there was a $2 off digital coupon. I paid $6.18 for both of these, but then there is a $5 extra care buck back that you will receive when you buy 2. It comes out to be $1.18 or 59 cents. Now, I'm really trying to get a lot of facial stuff because I really liked buying the L'Oreal and the Oral-B facial stuff, but I don't get those CRTs anymore, so I'm hoping maybe, you know, something. I did have a spend 25, you got $6 off for the Garnier, but I did not do that. I did not spend that much. So I ended up getting some Real Technique sponges. I really like these ones. I use the e.l.f. brand, but I find that the Real Techniques works just a little bit better. It doesn't soak as much makeup up, but I do suck at like changing my sponges. I'm just so frugal that I need to just get it in my head. But I thought we're gonna do this deal because I like these anyway, and these are cheaper than going into Ulta or going to Walmart and buying these. So these were $5.99. I bought 2 of them. I paid $11.98, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back, making these $5.98 or just $2.99 a piece. So not the greatest deal, but this is something that I actually use, and I think that's a lot cheaper than if I went to the store and bought them. So that is why I bought them, and hopefully I can get some CRTs, you know, popping from that transaction. I got the Swedish Fish. My boys in my family love these. These are 2 for $4. You would pay $4 for both of these, but then you'll get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $2 at $1 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. So yeah, I was like looking for them and looking for them. Like they didn't have the tags up, and I'm like asking the cashier because he was standing right next to me. I'm like, do you see these anywhere? He's like, I can go check in the back. I'm like, no, don't worry about it. And then I'm like, why am I so blind? And then right there, they were right in front of my face, and I'm just like, okay, got those for the boys. And then I was pretty excited for this deal. This is the Neutrogena or Burt's Bees deal. Now, they've recently started selling Burt's Bees makeup. I'm like, oh, sweet. So I ended up getting this tinted lip balm by Burt's Bees. I got Rose was one of them, and Hibiscus is the other one. I look better in these kind of colors. Anyways, so these were $5.49. I bought 2 of them. I had that $4 off instant coupon that is printing from the machine today. I paid $6.98 for the both of these, but then when you buy 2, you get $6 back, making these just 98 cents. That's 49 cents a piece, and I thought that was a pretty good deal. I was excited to get this because it's something something I wanted to try, something that's new. But I always get the Neutrogena wipes, and I'm like, why not? Let's just try something different. So that is what I did. But that was my haul, you guys. The funny thing is there was only one register working, and then right when I start getting all my stuff, he starts scanning some of my stuff. Somebody waits in or comes in line and says, just finish this. So I just did the Razor Nivea deal in one transaction because there was a guy waiting, and I hate holding up the line. So then I'm like, okay, you can go. Well, then another person showed up, and another person showed up, and another person showed up, and I'm just like, it's always like that. It's dead until I get to the register, and then everybody else shows up. Finally, it died down, and then another person showed up right as I was about to pay. So I'm like, okay, But I did pay a little bit more out of pocket than I usually do, just because I didn't have enough CRTs. I could have split it, or I didn't have enough extra care bucks, but that's okay. I just want to kind of get some different random items instead of the same stuff every week. But I ended up paying $20.92. Now, I did end up using a gift card that I got from Swagbucks. You guys don't know what Swagbucks is. I tell you this every single week. I print my coupons from Swagbucks. It takes you basically to the coupons.com website. You print a coupon, you get a point. Then you can redeem your points to get gift cards. So basically, when I have enough points, I redeem for a $50 CVS gift card. And that can go a long way. Like, usually my total I pay out of pocket is like $2 or $3 every transaction. So that's what I do. And then I also use my points, which is another, it's just like Swagbucks, but I use it in a different browser with a different phone number. But I do have a referral link for both of them. If you guys have not joined, you guys will get like a little bit of a bonus money if you use my referral link. But definitely do it. Why not get paid? Why not get paid for printing coupons? So yeah, my total was $20.92. I ended up using all the extra care bucks that I had, which was $44. But then I received $50 back, which I was pretty excited. I don't know if I got enough for the beauty. Well, I got $5.99. That's times 2 Burt's Bees. That's 20 bucks. I might have gotten, I don't know if I reached beauty, but anyways, I ended up getting $2.40 back with Ibotta, and then I got that 75-cent rebate bonus. So my total came to $11.77. That's 22 items at 53 cents a piece. My goal is always to get it under 10, but you know what? I'm happy with what I got. I'm finally buying stuff that I normally don't buy, and it ended up becoming a decent price. You know, I'm not paying too much out of pocket, but I'm happy with. It's getting there. Like, it's getting there. I'm really debating on, getting a new card, but then I'm like, no, I want to give it a new week. I want to give it another week, but it is getting there. So, fingers crossed, we get less CVS coupons and more actual other CRT coupons. But yes, if you guys enjoyed my video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week for hopefully an even better CVS haul. We will see. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.